Today I'm going to show you how to wash your windows on your upper floors without using a ladder, both inside and outside. So the first thing you're going to do is unlock the windows. Make sure they're unlocked. You're going to pull this up just a little bit. And if you can see, there's little tabs on each side of the window. So you're going to use both hands and you're going to pull those towards the center. So I'm going to pull both of those and lift in. Now you can clean the outside of the window without a ladder. So just go about spraying it with some glass cleaner. Now the outer part of the window is probably pretty dirty, so you might want to clean it twice. Whenever you get it to be squeaky clean, you know that's when you're pretty much done with getting the dirt off. Alright, all you have to do is then push it back up. Then you can clean the inside. Alright, so that's the bottom windows done. I'll actually show you how to take the window out of the frame itself. So, again, pull on the sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up on one side at a time. Then I can lift it actually out of the track and get it out of the way. I'm going to pull down on the top window. And you're going to see a similar thing on the top. So if you can see, there's little finger pulls here. So you can see pull in here. So we'll do that both sides at the same time. And that'll allow us to tilt in the top window. So now we can clean the outside of this window as well. It's hard to see, but it's pretty dirty here as well. So what I'm going to do is push this up. It's in. We can clean the inside of the window. Push the window up. Now we got to get the bottom window back in the track. There's basically a knob right here that needs to go into each side. Just sits in there. We're just going to push the top of the window in, and you're good. So we're going to pull down on the window, maybe push up on the upper window, and then you can lock your windows and you're good to go. Well, I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.